Did you know you could use your computer without a mouse? Sounds crazy, right? In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to reveal 32 shortcuts that 99.9% of people completely ignore. Stay until the end, because the last tip will change your productivity forever. If you master these 32 tips, you'll save 2 hours every day and become 10 times faster. Trust me, after this, you'll feel like a real hacker. Let's go!
Section 1. General Navigation.
Start with the basics that will already make you look like a pro.
Tip 1. Alt plus Tab. Switch between windows instantly. Tip 2. Windows plus Tab. Stylish multitask overview. Tip 3. Control plus Escape. Opens Start menu instantly. Tip 4. Windows plus D. Show or hide desktop in 0.1 seconds. Tip 5. Windows plus E File. Explorer Direct Access. Tip 6. Windows plus L. Lock your PC like a ninja. Tip 7. Windows plus up or down arrows. Maximize or minimize window. Tip 8. Windows plus left or right arrows. Snap window 2 sides. Tips 9. Control plus T. New tab in 0.1 second. Tip 10. Control plus W. Close current tab. Tip 11. Control plus Shift plus T. Resurrect closed tab, it's a miracle. Tip 12. Control plus Tab. Switch to next tab. Tip 13. Control plus Shift plus Tab. Go back to previous tab. Tip 14. Control plus L. Jump straight to address bar. Tip 15. Control plus F. Instant search on page. Section 3. Ultimate secret. Attention Pro mode activated. Tip 16. Windows plus R. Direct command. Developer hack. Tip 17. Control plus Shift plus Escape. Task manager instantly. Tip 18. Windows plus S ultra-fast Windows search. Tip 19. Alt plus F4. Atomic close or shut down PC from desktop.
You just unlocked 32 keyboard superpowers. While 99% of people click like beginners, you will soar above them with these ninja shortcuts. Ultimate challenge. Use 5 of these tips in the next 24 hours. And tell me in the comments which one blew your mind the most if you want to become a productivity machine and discover my secret hacker tips. Subscribe now and hit the bell, because what's coming next will transform you into the absolute master of computing.